What's going on, YouTube, traders, investors? Today is week 5 of the $100 a week investing challenge on the Robinhood app. And today we're going to talk about options. We're going to get into an option today and also talk about crypto a little bit because we did add more money off camera into crypto. I think I've added as much as I'm going to add for right now until we find out if it's going to start running again. But let's get into it. Before we get in the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good, and you stand a chance to get a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And before I go, Robinhood is an awesome trading app, totally secure. You have no reason not to sign up and start trading. Please use that link. Thank you in advance. Okay, here we are on the Robinhood web platform home. And as you can see, I've already added $100 today. But before we get into the option that we're going to get into today, we got a free stock from Lloyd. Thank you, Lloyd, for using that referral link. It's greatly appreciated. And we're going to go ahead and open this link. Go to free stocks. We're going to go to claim right there. And we're going to pick a card. Pick a card, any card. Which card are we going to pick? I think I like this dude back here. Let's see. What is it? Sirius. I've had Sirius before. Not bad. I actually had Sirius. I just bought a new vehicle and it came with Sirius. I get it free for a year. I like Hip Hop Nation, channel 44. Okay, we got the free stock, Sirius satellite radio. We're gonna go ahead and update what we did off camera. We're gonna open our cryptocurrency position. We were in Ethereum, got out of Ethereum, added some more money, and got into Bitcoin Cash. Basically, we have one Bitcoin Cash token. So that's pretty much what we did off camera. I did bounce in and out of Bitcoin, made a little bit of money, but now it seems like crypto is it's pulled back. It's trying to find that bottom and consolidate. So just kind of standing by. I want to put more money in crypto because I believe that's where we're trending towards. But just keep your eye on it. I think it's going to pull back and consolidate before it makes another move. Here you see Chesapeake Energy, and this is going to be the option that we get in today. And I'm going to show you why we're getting in this option today. We're going to go to a website called barchart.com, and they got a tab for unusual stock options activity. So I've already got it open. We're going to jump over to it. And you see it right at the top. It's going to be this line right here. That's Chesapeake Energy. It's a call with a strike price of $2.50, expiring November 15th, 2019. So you got 136 days for this to move. So I'm not sure. I got to do a little reading up, but I'm just going to scroll across and you can see right now the volume for today, 160,000 plus. Open interest, 2,000 plus. So we're going to go ahead and jump in this right now just because with these things, you got to get in them right now. There could be some news that's coming out tomorrow or whatever. I think somebody knows something, and this is how you follow the money, because this is big money being put into a pretty cheap stock that's pretty much at as low as it's been. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. So we're going to go ahead and jump in this option. So what you want to do when you go to Chesapeake Energy on the Robinhood platform, you're going to go to Trade CHK Options. Okay, it's going to pull up your option chart. First, you want to go to your expiration. The expiration was November 15th. So you scroll down November 15th. Then you want to make sure you're on buy and make sure you're on call, because you can sell calls and sell puts, and you can buy calls and buy puts. I'm going to do videos in the future explaining exactly what that is. But today we are buying a call for November 15th, 2019 at a $2.50 strike price which is going to be right here. You see right now it's going for 16 cents. Now, this isn't like 16 pennies because you got to multiply that by 100. You're buying a contract. For every contract is 100 times 16 cents. So you're looking at 16 bucks. So we're going to add this one. This is the one we want. We're going to continue. We're going to do 5 contracts. That should be about 80 bucks. And we're going to do good for today. I think it should fill relatively quickly. Review order, submit. And there we go. We have our options. The contract filled really quick. We're done. So now we're just gonna go back and use the leftover money. I think I have an idea where I want to put it. Okay, we're back on the home screen and we'll go up here. We have $24.88 of buying power left. I think I'm gonna go ahead and average down in tvix just because this is as low as it's been in a long time. And we need to start averaging down in that. So, cause we're down like 25%. But if you know anything about tvix, I did a video on it explaining basically what it is. When the market goes down, it goes up. When the market goes up, it goes down. So right now the market's been doing pretty good. We got the stuff with Trump and the China president, Xi, whatever his name is. They made a truce, no more tariffs for right now. So I knew that was gonna make the market go up. But it didn't go up as high as I thought it did. And this went down a little more than what I thought it would. So we're gonna go ahead and average down in this. We're gonna buy one share. Review order, submit buy, and done. We now own 3 shares of tvix. We're gonna go back to the home screen. So we have, let's see, $8 left. I think we're just gonna let that sit there. And maybe I'll do another video if I see something worth putting $8 into, or if I decide to add to that. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the information I provided, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.